Okay guys, to start off this hairstyle, I'm going to separate her hair from ear to ear. And for the back section, I'm going to go ahead and just do some basic cornrows going straight up. But before I begin to braid her hair, I do make sure that her hair is fully moisturized. Okay, now that the back section of her hair is completed, we can focus on the front. As you can see, I parted her hair in 3 sections in the front, and the sections on each side, it's just going to be 3 basic cornrows going upward at an angle so that the braids can go into her bun. And I'm just going to do that on each side. It's just 3 basic cornrows. And as you can see, I completed the other side off camera. So now that the sides are completed, we can focus on the middle section. In the middle section, I'm just going to do 4 straight back cornrows. And those 4 cornrows will be used to crochet the hair on for her twist, for her bang. Okay, now it's time to work on her bang, which are crochet twists. I'm using fluffy twist hair, and it does come on a track, and I just cut the hair off the track, and I begin to crochet the hair onto her braids. After I crochet the hair in, I just simply begin to 2-strand twist the hair. I did add some moisturizer to it because it was a little kinky and knotty, and plus I wanted to give it that natural sheen like the rest of her hair. So after I 2-strand twist the hair, and when I get to the end of the twist, I do finger coil it to give it that natural effect as if it is her natural hair. So once I complete her bang, then we can move on to her bun. Okay, this step is completely optional. I did use some of the fluffy twist hair, and I used the braidless crochet method to add more hair to her bun to make it a little bit fuller, and plus I wanted the bun to have the same texture of the hair that was used in her twist. Once you get the bun to the fullness that you would like, then you can tuck it and pin it, and you're good to go. And here's the final look, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions about this hairstyle, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red button down below. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I didn't talk to you right quick. Tree's so high. Is she coming to my birthday? Not push.